Hi, I'm Dave and welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to share with you natural ways to control pests around the house. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, click on that bell, and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, roll the intro. You know, those pesky little critters, they drive you mad trying to get rid of them, but you frown upon using chemical-based, commercial-type products. And so you want to find a better, more natural solution. So what is green pest control? Well, here in this video, I'll share with you some of the pesky little critters that take up residence in your home and what I found to get rid of them naturally. Also, if you want some ready-made, eco-friendly solutions, I put some in the info down below this video. And with that being said, here we go.